Hi, it's Stacy here. We have introduced the types of backlit sign before. Today we will introduce another luminous sign series for you. That is backlit sign series. The backlit sign literally means products that emit light from the back, like facelit signs, and they are generally made of acrylic, stainless steel, and galvanized plates. They can also be made of iron, illumination, and other materials. Depending on the process, many product types are derived, including backlit line boxes, many backlit signs, train cap signs, and frameless face signs and other products. Backlit signs are widely used in many industries and occasions with their exquisite shapes, creative design, and diverse options, and are very suitable for indoor and outdoor environments. Specification, sizes, styles, and colors can be designed according to your actual needs to create customized luminous signs for you. All luminous signs products have international UL certification and provide a 2 to 3 year of warranty service, so you can buy with confidence and use with peace of mind. How do you install a signboard for your store? We have updated relevant information before, and friends who are interested can take a look. Remember to subscribe and follow LCSIGN for more.